For the first exercise here, we are going to address calf tightness. So we're going to get the calf complex here, so gastroc and soleus with the foam roller. There's three positions how you can start off here. You can start with both feet just like so. You can have it 1 foot crossed over, and this would apply a bit more pressure to the calf complex. Or the last one, you can place your contralateral limb and foot on the ground here, and this would actually decrease the amount of pressure, but at least you can still get pressure applied. So for each case, you're going to help stabilize your core and lift your butt off the ground. So for here, we're just going to lift up here, and you're just going to go up and down right through here. With each of them, you want to make sure you start at the mid belly, and you're going to roll up and down the whole muscle length of the calf complex. So to show you, or to demonstrate each one here, here's the first one, just like so. Second one, foot over top. Same thing, you're going to lift your butt off the floor, back and forth just like so. Third one here, just going to use your foot here, and this can help take some of the weight off your hands, and you're still going to use your foot and just push back and forth over the muscle length. Alright, so for the lengthening stage, what we're going to focus on is a piriformis stretch. Now there's multiple variants of this stretch, but I'm just going to focus on one of the easiest ones. So we're just going to have them start off in a seated or supine position. So for this case, I'm going to lay back. What I'm going to do is I'm going to bring my right leg up, focusing on my affected side. If it's the affected side, if it's the left side, you're going to bring it up just like so. Right side, in this case right here. So knee at 90 degrees, hip at 90 degrees. Make sure to keep both shoulders flat on the ground. And what they're going to do is they're going to take their opposite arm, and they're just going to bring it across just like so, right through here. Now you can't have them if they are not feeling a stretch here. They can grab down at their mid shin and just pull it across, and they might actually feel this a bit more right through here in the glute. Hold each stretch for about 20-30 seconds and repeat on a daily basis. Alright, so for the activation stage, what we are going to focus on for this video is activation of the tibialis anterior muscle. So one way you can do that is using a band. You can attach it to the base of a bench like so, or you can use an ankle weight, or you can have a partner hold the band in this position. So what you're going to essentially do is it's a resisted dorsiflexion of the ankle. So I have the band wrapped around the proximal joint of my great toe here. I have my leg straight right like so, and all you gotta do is start in a relaxed plantar flexion state and then pull up on the band and slowly go back down, nice and controlled throughout the movement. You can help palpate to know what muscle you are doing. You can palpate your anterior tibialis as you flex the toe upwards towards your chest. So at the proximal part of your lower leg here, just below your kneecap, you're going to feel it on the lateral side here, and you're just going to pull up, hold it, and go right back down. You're going to repeat this for 2 sets of 10. So nice and controlled going up, hold it, nice and controlled going down. Alright, so for integration, what we're going to focus on is doing an overhead squat with a ball. So what you're going to do is you're going to start off with the dumbbells in your hand. You can do it in a neutral grip like so, or a supinated grip just like so, essentially in a bicep curl position. When you go through the whole squat here, you want to make sure you keep your core nice and tight. You don't want to let your gut sag out, arch your back, so kind of squeeze your butt, squeeze your abs just a tiny bit throughout the whole motion. So what you're going to do here is in a nice, slow, controlled motion, you're going to squat down just like so. Then when you come up, you're going to push the dumbbells overhead. Down, nice and slow. Push up, overhead. Nice and slow down, up, overhead. You're going to repeat that for 2 sets of 10, just like so.